Okay. I have something I have started to tell it before. We are going to unpack this. I got this tomorrow. No, yesterday, and I wouldn't be more excited. When I was something like 11, no, 9. When I was 9. There was something very exciting. We were in the boat, like in a cruise. Cruise is the right word. We were in the cruise, and my little brother win some kind of Victoria's Secret like gifting, and he was kind of young, and he was a boy, so it was kind of, and he wouldn't like big sense like a boy, he wouldn't appreciate it. So the boy, my brother, gave it to my mom, and my mom dates Anna, a lesbian. That sounds weird. My mom likes girls, and this is her girlfriend. Like get to teach me kinds of sense. It was also a kind of mismatch. Anyways, so I got no. So I loved the scent. It was like body butter. It was limited edition, and I wouldn't stop sniffing it. It wasn't mine, so I wouldn't wear it. But I love it. I fell in love with it so much, and it was limited edition, and I was 9, and the obsession with it lasted until this day. And I got it right here. Literally, this seems too good to be true. But anyways, in the story, and I had the bottle so many years until I was 15. I fucking lost it. I lost it, but it didn't smell like it used to. Anyways, but I lost the fucking bottle, and it has the name of what it was in the bottle. So I didn't even remember what the name was, and I was like a month ago, like I always keep remembering it, but it came to cosmetics, but I couldn't keep like remembering the name. I know it was limited edition, but I 2 months ago I was like, I'm not gonna give up. I want a perfume right now. I need it. I need a cute perfume, and I was only one thing came into my mind, and I was or something like Dior. But anyways, and I was like, I want this, but where I can get it? And I was like searching something like 2 hours in Google or something, and I remember the bottle, of course, and I was firstly forgotten, but then I was like, oh, this is the one, and some eBay thing sell it, like, but my little, I think this was too good to be true, but my little brother explains that there's sometimes people doing it for work, like wholesaling limited edition products, because this wasn't even open. I was like, what the fuck? But then I was like, oh, that's so much. We are going to open this. A coffee break, and now I'm wondering, do they sell graveyard guard tart? a palette because that I have it right now, but it's mess. I don't Gravier dirt. I need to open this one because it's the best eyeshadow palette I have ever tried. First box, second box. We are going to. It says here Victoria's Secret in it. This is the happiest day of my life. This is the one I was talking about you. It's the Angel's Only body lotion. And I also got the perfume. But we are going to smell it. Exactly like I used to like it. Oh my god. I was just telling about it. It's like sweet, it's sexy, it's sweet and sexy. What more do you need in a perfume? Sweet and sexy. That's it. Maybe musky. Oh my god, this is like my dream. It's happy memory. It smells like a happy memory. And I have also the perfume that looks so cute. And we are going to spray it on. Oh, it was aggressive. Okay, so it comes like this. And the box looks like this. And this smells like celery, like where you keep stuff. Oh, it's so good. But anyways, let's keep in the perfume. This I didn't ever. We have only the body lotion. Oh, this is exciting. And I'm gonna take a coffee. It's morning. I'm gonna go to school soon. It has Victoria's Secret writing. This logo. It's 3D and it has Eau de Perfume, Make Me an Angel, Apple Blossom, Fresh Freesia, Violet. I was even searching these notes so I can like make my own perfume. It's just like this, but this is much better. This is I'm so happy. I'm going to even a hockey match today, so this makes it this day even happier. Make some ASMR for you guys, and I'm going to pause for thumbnail or something. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use this. Yeah, I don't know. I wanted these to show up in the picture. So we are going to open this and careful because I want to keep the box. Oops. It's big inside, of course. This smells like a fucking gift present. When I was young, in gifts, this is the smell of Christmas gifts. So the bottle looks so cute. It looks like definition what I would love. This is the bottle. So it Angels only, and it has Victoria's Secret in here, and this has 50 milliliters, and we have wings in here, but it's inside. I like that because I did have Jeffree Star's concealer, and it has a so cute star in here, but of course it broke because I'm kind of aggressive. So this is what it looks like, and we are gonna spray it. I'm not sure if I will wear this top, so I'm doing it like this. We have another Victoria's Secret, like this was my must-have when I was a kid. It's body like so. This is the old powder that I had. It's broke, but I wouldn't throw this to trash. And this doesn't smell like it used. Oh, it doesn't smell like it used at all. But this was the old bottle, and I got this when I was something like 10 or 11. It's Total Attraction, and this was I always sprayed this before I go to school, and of course I don't let go of my childhood, my good memories. So I have the new bottle. It's kind of used, and I have a shower towel in here because I was planning on scrubbing this on my body, and yeah. So this is Total Attraction, and this is what it smells like. What it used to smell like, but this is different bottle. I'm so happy. So yeah, Victoria's Secret Angels Only limited edition. We have it now, and my life is complete. I can die now. Have a great day. Have a great day. It looks like this, and this looks so cute. I love these products. This made me happy. Bye bye.